the city has opened its arms to industry, creating the ideal environment for young but thriving businesses such as Eclipse Technologies Incorporated. Eclipse was founded in 1999 by manufacturing expert Jean Saint-Pierre and now produces Era retractable screen systems.
And I have took a product from basically 7 or 8 different manufacturers and combine it together, refine it, and make it a higher and a better quality product.
The result of Saint-Pierre's research and development is the durable Era retractable screen system. An Era retractable screen performs the service of any other screen door or window, except when not in use, the screen silently and smoothly retracts into a discrete housing to provide an open view, easy entry, and longer screen life. What's more, when in use, the screen is almost invisible to the eye, but serves as an excellent solar barrier.
Out in the country, and we're always having our doors open, so it was nice to be able to have French doors and still be able to have screens that can shut and open nicely.
Built in a 12,000 square foot state-of-the-art factory, Era retractable screens come in 11 colors, along with a stainable real wood veneer. It can be sized to fit most architectural openings and is built with a child safety mechanism that allows the door to retract much slower than similar doors when released. The screen itself is made of a dependable PVC-coated fiberglass mesh.
That basically stops the cats and dogs from tearing and damaging the screens.
Put these components together with a lifetime warranty, and you've got a company that makes Vancouver Island's Harbor City proud. And customers in North America and the Caribbean who install the Era retractable screen in their homes, RVs, and yachts, feeling as though they've brought the outdoors in.
Perfect. It blends right into the French door as if it was a molding, so you cannot see them. When you shut them, the screen is visible where you can still see outside, so you're not feeling like it's blocked off any of your view. And yeah, so I'm really enjoying them.